You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. For reference, in Welsh it is said as Seren, Seren. So in English it's often said as Seren, Seren, Seren. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Are you a Seren, or how do you say it? Let everybody know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.